Om. Namaste. Hope all are finding it comfortable to live in this world with so much of disturbance, so much of fear, so much of uncertainty, so much of diseases, so much of threat. We are forced to live a life which we do not want in this way. We are being forced into some kind of disease. The mankind is suffering because of the mankind negligence, arrogance, or bad intentions could be also. All such acts of man is offered before Mahavatar Babaji's lotus feet. It is for the divinity to decide which is right, which is wrong. Because the entire world is suffering. If India is suffering, the entire world is suffering. Because most of the population are from this country. This country has given everything to the world. But this country has taken a lot of beatings also from all the other countries. I hope the rest of the world will come for a realization about India and Indian subcontinent and its people who are unharming anybody, intentionally never go and trouble any country, anybody. Even when we are not able to serve our own people with vaccines for the pandemic, this is the only country which has gone out of way and helped many countries. This is possible only because of the strong spiritual background, strong spiritual foundation being laid by our seers, our Swamijis, our Gurus, our forefathers, all the Dirgadarshis who helped to build a very quality oriented, spiritual oriented, all inclusive society. But the rest of the world has to understand us little more and introspect, weigh and decide about being with India, learning from India and understanding the India and Indian people. This apart, we will see more and more in Kriya Kundalini Awakening. The 16th step will be very interesting. The 16th step of Kriya Kundalini Awakening probably come on 8th of June 2021. After the 16th step, the 17th step will have much more miracles. Beyond the 17, to my understanding, the 18th step will have so many parts. It will have daily one video for a week or so. In order to understand the 18th step, every day one small video for a week or so, maybe 7 or 8 days. If you want to catch and touch the lotus feet of divinity, it is impossible for others who have not gone through step 1 to 17. I would advise all the viewers, whoever is interested to go through step 18, which will have 7-8 part. It will come on every day. Such of those interested viewing members must once again go through all the 17 steps. Otherwise, you will be missing many important things in step 18. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.